Namaste. I am Dr. Veenu Agarwal. I am an obstetrician and gynecologist with Cloudnine Hospital, Golf Course Road. DNC or Dilation and Curettage is a vaginal procedure which is done to remove the contents of the uterus after pregnancy, either for termination of pregnancy or after a miscarriage. It can usually be done till 12 weeks of pregnancy. It is done under general anesthesia. You will be asked by the doctor to not eat or drink for 6 hours before the procedure. Some blood tests may also be advised for you. On the day of the procedure, you will be asked to lie supine in the OT, where the anesthesia will be given to you. Then you are positioned with the legs held in the stirrups. Pelvic examination is done and the cervix is held. Then a suction tube is inserted into the uterus and all the content of the uterus are removed. After that, a check is done using a metal scrape. Very commonly, we also do a final check using a transvaginal ultrasound. After the procedure, you are shifted back to the room for a few hours. Once you have passed urine and you have had something to eat and drink, you can go back home. The procedure itself takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete. However, you may be in the hospital for around 6 to 8 hours. This is a very commonly done and very safe procedure. Rarely, in 1 in 1000 cases, you may have slightly heavier bleeding. In such cases, medicines called Utronix may be given to you. Sometimes the uterus may not be completely emptied, in which cases we may have to do it again. In some cases, very rarely, while doing the procedure, there may be a hole in the uterus called perforation of uterus. In such a case, you may be asked to stay in the hospital for observation for some time. Rarely, we may have to repair that defect. If you have not been given antibiotics prior to the procedure, you may develop some pelvic infection also.